Alright, so we're going to look at if we have two ratios and there's a missing number, how do we find that number? So two ratios that are equal, how do we find a missing number? So we've got 3 to 7 down here is equal to something to 28. So what I'm going to do is, I know the second number is 7 and 28. Now, what I want to do is see how many times bigger 28 is to 7. So how many times bigger that is. How we do that is we go 28 divided by 7, and that gives me 4. So you can do that in your calculator. So what that means is 28 is 4 times bigger than 7, which means that this number here has to also be 4 times bigger than 3. So that number has to be 12, because 3 times 4 is 12. Alright, we'll do a second example now. So I'm pulling this straight from the textbook from question 3. So I've got my ratio down here, 1 to 4, and the unknown to 20. So we've got 4 is our second number, and 20 is our second number. Okay, so if I want to find out how many times bigger 20 is than 4, so I go 20 divided by 4, and that gives me 5, so that's 5 times bigger, which means the unknown number has to be 5 times bigger than 1, so that's got to be 5. Great, so what I want you guys to do now is questions 3, 4, and 5.